Hello YouTubers, got a couple boxes here today. This one doesn't look like anything special, but Jonathan Smith of JS Alternators. What? JS Alternators? Okay. Remember that voltage drop issue? Hopefully that goes away. And what's this? Ooh, Resilient Sounds. Found out about these guys from EXO. And I figured I'd take a chance on them. I'm actually going to replace two SkyHighCarAudio VVX originals with one 12-inch Resilient Sounds Platinum. So I'm curious. We'll see if we can get into one of these boxes here. Not sure how well this will work on a phone. Supposedly, these are supposed to be pretty decent alts. I know they're not Mechman, and everybody's like, Mechman, 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 but they're expensive. I feel like a complete retard trying to open this up one-handed. So, mad props to you guys that do this on a daily with your unboxings. Alright, crack that bad boy open and let's see. The thing that kind of concerned me though is Mechman gives you some nice little adapters, whereas this one I think we have to solder some shit or connect stuff. So some assembly required. Yeah, see, there you go. This is my problem with JS Alternators. You know, sure, it's $100 less, but I mean, really, how fucking expensive is it to make one of those little fucking pigtails that actually connect your shit properly and throw it in a box? The other thing is, I believe Mechman puts some O-gauge lug nuts on there. Or not lug nuts, but lugs. So it looks like we got some box-in-box action here. I'm going to set this down just for a moment. You can look at the box there. Okay. So there's the other box. Just brown. Nothing special. And this isn't painted or anything because, you know, I'm cheap. It's under the hood. It's not a show car. It's going to be for a daily driver. And let's see if we can get this one opened up. What's in the box? Alright, so a lot of packaging, bubble wrap stuff. There's no way I'm getting that out one-handed, so again, you get to look at the counter. All that noise, it's all that bubble wrap. You can tell they wrapped it half decent. So we got plenty of this puddle stuff here, which my dog's terrified of that shit. And then there we have it. It's a plain looking alternator. So I guess that would be where the connection goes. This is for a Chrysler 300C 5.7 liter. So it looks fairly nice. It doesn't look too used and beat up unless you look at those spots, but I mean, really, who cares? It's all about the output. It's kind of heavy. Supposedly it's a little bit smaller, so I thought they gave you output sheets from when they do the testing, but I guess not. So all we get is this shit, which is already on the website. So hopefully we'll be installing that soon. SkyHighCarAudio had a fuck up with their shipment. Apparently it's kind of common for shit to just fall out of the package. So the mailman actually delivered me a package and it said no contents and package received open, and it looks like they didn't tape the bottom of the package and everything just fell out. So I'm still waiting for about 15 foot of some 0-gauge SkyHigh, and then we'll get this bad boy in. So that's it. That's a JS Alternators. Nothing special, nothing fancy about the way it looks, the way it's packaged, or anything that comes with it. And we'll see how well it works. I do like the copper stud, though. That's kind of big. So we'll see how it all works out, man. till then, you guys have fun, and I'll probably be unboxing this thing a little bit later. I'm really stoked about this because, man, these things are supposed to be pretty fucking brutal. 2,000 watts RMS, 4,000 peak, and that's big capital letters conservative. So stay tuned for that unboxing later.